Hi friends, I welcome all of you to Victoria Memorial Hall. First of all, we have to understand who is Victoria and what is the importance of this place in Kolkata. Let me describe who is Victoria actually. Victoria was a queen. She was a dynamic lady, she was a dynamic leader, she was a dynamic king. Actually, in British, you will find lots of things about Victoria. Actually, Victoria was a daughter of Prince Edward and Princess Victoria, and she resigned the whole British as well as Indian part more than 63 years. And in her time, she made many important landmark events for this world. And in India, first time Lord Curzon decided to establish a monument, establish a marvelous piece of monument or building, the present day Victoria Memorial Hall. The foundation of this memorial hall started in 1906. In 1906, Lord Curzon decided that there should be a monument. There should be a monument in the memory of great Victoria Queen, Queen Victoria. And the time taken for this beautiful monument is nearly, you will find, 1906 to 1921. That means it took nearly 15 to 16 years to build this beautiful monument. And if you look at this monument, you will find there are several things. The marble, the architecture, the Islamic influence, the Indian influence, and also Egyptian influence, British architecture, many things you will find at one place. Then let's learn about the Markana marble. What is Markana marble? Markana marble is found mainly in a town, Rajasthan, that is Markana town. And the beautiful garden around the Victoria Memorial Hall, actually designed by two persons, Lord Wellesley and David Brain. These two persons designed the marvelous garden of this beautiful monument, Victoria Memorial Hall. Let's see this garden. Actually, this Victoria Memorial Hall was inaugurated by, you can say, 5th George of England in 1921, and the building inauguration started in 1906, and it was made public in 1921. And the year 1921 is marvelous in the history of India, because in the same year 1921, railway budget and general budget was separated, public accounts committee was established, and many things happened in this 1921. Let me clear, this beautiful monument actually builds a natural beauty. It bears a testimony of Bengal civilization. It bears a testimony of British civilization. What is the beauty and what is the cream of this building? Actually, if you look at this dome, it is the symbol of victory. And if you see the entrance gate, you will find Islamic and Egyptian touch is there. And many people think that there is a resemblance, similarity in between Taj Mahal and Victoria Memorial Hall. But whatever local people say and the historical document says, there is little resemblance. If you see the Taj Mahal architecture and the Victoria architecture, you will find there is a very little similarity or resemblance, you can say. Then what is the similarity? Similarity is very simple. The marble brought from Rajasthan and marble that is used in this monument and marble used in Taj Mahal is almost same, because white marbles are only found in Rajasthan, Markana district, Markana town, present day Markana town. Lastly, I will tell that this beautiful place has lots of importance. Number one is the Lord Curzon and Lord Harding, the two Governor Generals and you can say also Viceroy. Lord Curzon, during the time of Lord Curzon, the building started, and in 1911, in between, what happened? Lord Harding decided to shift the capital of India, British capital of India, from Calcutta to New Delhi. And in 1911, New Delhi became the capital of India. This is the beauty of Victoria Hall. Thank you very much. Wish you happy learning. Thank you.